Alright guys, Rich here from the RC Network, and this is going to be my running video of the Pro-Line ProMT 2-wheel drive 1/10 scale monster truck kit. Now I am running some pretty good power in this from Tekin Electronics. I have the RSX mated up to the Pro 4 HD 4300 kV motor. Quite a lot of power on 2S LiPo. Gotta say, this thing really rips and does wheelies with no issues whatsoever. Now I do have mounted on top of the rig Pro-Line's new 4-inch LED light bar. Just kind of lights the way, not today, but maybe in the evening. Well guys, that is going to be my running video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next one.